Honestly, if you're trying to decide between CachyOS and Garuda, it really comes down to what kind of user you are and what you want out of your system. Both are based on Arch, so they're rolling release, which means you'll get the latest stuff, but also that sometimes updates can break things if you're not careful. CachyOS is kind of like the performance nerd's distro. It's got a custom kernel and a bunch of tweaks under the hood that make it super snappy and responsive. If you care about squeezing every bit of performance out of your CPU or want your system to feel lightning fast, it's a solid pick. It also supports a ton of desktop environments and window managers, so whether you want KD Plasma, i3, Sway, or Hyperland, you're covered. The catch is, because it's so tuned for performance, you might hit some quirks depending on your hardware, and it can take a bit more effort to get things running perfectly. Gaming is great here if you like tweaking things yourself to get the most out of your setup. Garuda, on the other hand, is more of an everything just works kind of distro. It looks amazing out of the box, installation is super easy, and it comes preloaded with a lot of tools and themes. It's heavier than CachyOS in terms of resources, but that's because it tries to give you a polished, ready-to-go desktop experience. Their gaming edition is great too. You get Steam, Lutris, Proton G, all that set up for you. Plus, Garuda uses BTRFS with snapshots, which basically lets you roll back your system if an update breaks something. That safety net is nice if you don't want to worry too much about rolling release headaches. So, if I were giving advice casually, if you're someone who likes tweaking, optimizing, and really squeezing every drop of performance out of your hardware, go with CachyOS. But if you just want a beautiful, solid Arch-based system that mostly works out of the box and looks slick while gaming, Garuda is the safer, easier choice. Honestly, both are great. You really can't go wrong, but your comfort level with tinkering and what kind of system vibe you want will decide it.